Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager Associations, full guide step by step clearly. To disable AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager Associations, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service from the AWS. In the left-hand navigation pane, locate and click on Patch Manager. Once in Patch Manager, look for the Patch Baselines option. Here, you can see the patch baselines that are currently configured. Select the baseline associated with the systems you want to modify. On the Baseline Details page, identify the Associations tab. Click on the Associations tab to view all existing associations for the selected baseline. Find the specific association you wish to disable. Select that association to open up more details. Look for the Actions button located at the top right of the page. Click on the Actions button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose the Disable option. A confirmation dialog will appear to ensure you want to disable the selected association. Confirm the action by clicking Disable. The association will now be marked as disabled. To verify, check the status of the association in the list. You can repeat this process for any additional associations you need to disable. Once complete, navigate back to the Systems Manager homepage. Review other settings or configurations as necessary. Finally, log out of the AWS Management Console to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.